my birthday. So I woke up and I find out that I've added another year to my year, and I feel so happy and elated. So guys, I woke up this morning, and after arranging my bed, the next thing I did was to change into my workout outfit, because this new year of my year, I have to really keep fit, because this year is going to be a memorable one for me, and I am really happy. So after changing to my outfit, I have to drink water. Then the next thing I did was to start my workout, guys. So keep watching.
And now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy.
So when I returned after my brief workout, I have to shower. Then the next thing I did was to go into the kitchen to make myself a breakfast. And what do I have in my menu? I just have an apple. So I'm going to do an apple smoothie.
Give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
I was done with my breakfast, the next thing I did was to roast my groundnut using my air fryer. So when I was done with my groundnut roasting, then the next stage was for me to make a chin. Like, this is me sieving my flour and doing all the necessary things I need to do so I can get my chin, because my kids, my babies are out there waiting, something I'm going to use to entertain them. So guys, keep watching.
Yeah, he found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life. Go out and battle, and you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah.
So when I was done with the chin and granola, the next stage was for me to prepare the salad, then prepare food. And guys, this is the highlight of the whole thing. I was really surprised at this, and I am very grateful. Thank you, my colleague, for this wonderful experience and memory. I really love it. Thank you so much. And the good thing is that after the surprise, my colleague also requested that they play a certain song for me to dance, so that I can have a feel of what my birthday needs to feel. Thank you so So this is the point where they gave me the letter from the person that surprised me.
Enjoy your day to the fullest. Your best wishes, Thank you.
So this is my birthday cake, and guys, at this point I have to share the chin and the every and the party starts now. So at this point I have to share the food so that my guests can have something to eat. So this is me sharing the food to them. And guys, finally, all the kids that I invited, my neighbors, this is when they were just relaxing together. And now we are ready to cut our cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 I'm plus one today. Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Hip, 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 hooray! S-U-S.
So after cutting the cake, the next stage was for us to eat the cake, drink, marry together, watch movies, and just relax. And it was really, really fun for me. And I really appreciate each and every one of the kids and my siblings that came around. I am so, so happy. So, guys, that is just. So the best part for me every year during my birthday is for me to come visit the orphanage each day and each time I celebrate my birthday. So this is me registering my name so that I can register the things I got for them, and this is most important part for me. I really love it a lot and I really thank God for. So guys, that will be all for today. So guys, this is just the highlight of how I spent my birthday today being 31st. Thank you so much guys. Please like and share that.